Hello everyone and welcome back. Choosing between RStudio and Python for data work, let's break it down in simple terms. First, let's be clear. RStudio is not a language. It's a tool you use to work with the R language. Python is the actual language itself. Think of RStudio as a nice workspace designed specifically for R. Python is like a Swiss Army knife. You can build websites, create apps, work with data, or dive into AI. It's everywhere. Netflix, Google, and NASA all use it. R through RStudio is more focused. It's built for people who crunch numbers and make charts. Scientists, researchers, and data analysts love it. Go with Python if you want a language that does everything. It's easier to learn, reads almost like English, and has tons of jobs waiting for you. The community is huge, so finding help online is easy. Plus, if you want to build real products or work in machine learning and artificial intelligence, Python is your friend. Big companies like Netflix, Google, and NASA run Python in their systems every single day. The job market loves Python developers. Choose RStudio if you are deep into stats and research work. R makes complex statistics simple with just a few lines of code. Creating beautiful charts and graphs, R wins hands down with tools like ggplot too. It's perfect for scientists, health researchers, financial analysts, and anyone doing serious number work. Universities had research labs rely on it heavily. Python handles big projects better and fits into production systems easily. Companies use it to build actual products that millions use. The learning curve? Well, it's super friendly for beginners. You can pick it up in a few weeks. RStudio gives you everything in one window, your code, your data, your charts, all right there. For pure statistics, nothing beats it. The downsides? Well, there's fewer job openings compared to Python. Here's a secret. Most data pros use both. Python for machine learning and big systems, and R for analysis and visualizations. New to coding? Start with Python. If you're already doing research or stats, RStudio is your home. Either way, you're learning a valuable skill that pays well. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and found this video useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.